Hey guys, as you can see, we are on to our next topic, and this topic is going to be on barcodes. Well guys, you don't have to mess up with all the things. The only barcode that you will be needing is I will show you. The one that you need is UPC barcode. So you have to come to Barcode Mania, as you can see here, and click on this barcodemania.com link. And as you come here to this page, you can see for one barcode it will cost you $4.99. The more barcode you buy, the cheaper it will be, guys. So for 5 barcodes it will be $10, and for 10 barcodes it will be $15, and for 15 it will be $20. And you can check this out. And literally what I recommend you is to buy these barcodes in bulk, around 100 barcodes for $45, and use 1 or 2 of them, and use the rest others on your next product or product variation, guys. The more you buy, the cheaper it will be for you, guys. And what they do is after you purchase from this Barcode Mania website, after you purchase one of the items, any one of these items, they will send your barcode in your email address, guys. You have to give them your email address, and they will send your barcode to you in your email address. They will both provide you with EAN and UPC barcode, and they will also provide you with this image also, and they will provide you in Excel sheet and PDF format, guys. They will be giving you images also of the barcode. And guys, you don't have to mess up with this EAN and UPC barcode, as this is same. EAN is required for rest of the world other than Canada and USA, and UPC barcode are required for Canada and USA. As you can see, UPC is for Canada and USA, and EAN barcode is for EAN format is for rest of the world, guys. So they will provide you with both EAN and UPC format. You have to choose according to your marketplace, guys. So it is as simple as that. You have to just come to Barcode Mania website and purchase the barcodes from here, guys. So hope you guys got idea on what UPC barcode actually is and what EAN barcode actually is. And let me show you one example. So as you can see here, they will provide you in PDF format and Excel sheet format. And here in Excel sheet, what you can do is I have previously purchased around 100 barcodes, and they will give you like this one. You have to what you have to do is, for one product you have to click on copy and paste it in your Amazon listing, guys. And one thing to remember is each variation needs a different barcode. Each one variation will be needing different barcodes, guys. So I hope this video clears up the barcode thing, and from where you want to purchase and how you can purchase, guys. And I'll be seeing you in my next video.